Good morning, class 9th, and welcome again to geography class after a short break. Now, in our last class, I had discussed about the Purvanchal, that was the physical features of India. The first one was the Himalaya mountain, and the last topic was the Purvanchal. Okay, the features of Purvanchal. Now, today we'll start the second physical feature of India, that is northern plain. We already have studied how this northern plain of India have been formed. As we know that because of the formation of Himalaya, depression was formed which was later filled by the sediments. Sediments brought down by the rivers of Himalaya and also by the rivers of the peninsular plateau like Chambal, Singh, Betwa, and the valley rivers like the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus and its tributaries. So because of its deposition in this vast depression, a very fertile plain land has been formed, which is known as the northern plain, also known as the Indo-Gangetic plain. Now the area of this northern plain of India is 7 lakh square kilometer and the length is 2400 kilometer. Width varies, that is 240 kilometer to 320 kilometer. Now this plain is known for Indus Valley civilization and also for the rise and expansion of various empires like Gupta, Magad, Maurya, Mughal, etc. Now if we talk about the significance of the northern plains, this is most favorable for human settlement, the northern plain. Okay, fertile soil, many rivers are present here, favorable climatic conditions present here, and therefore it is most favorable for human settlement. Many multi-purpose dams have been constructed. Okay, therefore there is a provision of water for irrigation, for generation of electricity. They hold social and religious significance, vast literature, art and architecture, and sacred rivers too. The rivers in the plains are navigable, which allow easy transportation and thus promote trade and commerce. So this shows the significance of the northern plain of India. So this is the location of the northern plain of India, right from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. Okay, so this northern plain is bounded on the north by the Himalayas, which feed its numerous rivers, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Brahmaputra, okay, which feed its numerous rivers and are the source of fertile alluvium deposited across the region by the two river systems. Okay, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The southern edge of the plain is marked by, you can see here, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Alright, and if we talk about towards the south, it is the Plateau region. Okay, and towards the west it is the Great Indian Desert. So this is how this northern plain of India is bounded. Now there are some features made by these rivers which comes from the Himalaya. As we know that rivers, when they come in the lower course, okay, it involves mainly in the deposition work. So because of its deposition, it will involve in the formation of many features such as the delta, okay, and also the distributaries and riverine island. So riverine island is what? So as the name suggests, riverine islands are related with rivers. Okay, riverine islands are those islands which have developed inside a river. Such type of island may form due to interconnection of two rivers enclosing a land area between them. how we define riverine island? A river island is any exposed land surrounded by river water. Okay. Now we have the largest riverine island in the world in India, and the place is there in Assam. The place is Majuli Island. Okay, so Majuli is formed by river Brahmaputra, is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. Okay, inhabited people, they stay there also in that Majuli Island, largest. And it also became the first island to be made a district in India on 8th of September 2016. It became the district, the only island, the first island which was to be made a district, okay, on 8th of September 2016. It was originally a long, narrow landmass stuck between the rivers, okay, Brahmaputra and the other river. These rivers met a point, Lekho. However, after frequent earthquakes in that area, the Brahmaputra river split into two and landmass became island. So Brahmaputra comes with lots of sand, and when it enters into the plain, the plain slope of Assam, it deposits a huge amount of silt. So because of this huge deposition year after year, this island, okay, they have been formed because of deposition, high deposition by river Brahmaputra in Assam. Okay. Another feature which is made because of rivers deposition is distributary. Okay, it is quite different from tributary. If you remember, in the lower classes you have studied tributary. Okay, it's quite different from tributary. This is distributary. What is distributary? It is a branch of a river that does not return to the main stream after leaving it. It flows away from a main channel. In the lower course, the river splits into a numerous, branches. These branches actually are called or termed as distributaries. Okay, these distributaries, they take away the water of the main river, the main stream, and therefore it weakens the main river. That is one of the feature of distributary. Okay. So now there is a very important question arises. Okay, what could be the difference between the tributary and the distributary? Let us see what can be the difference between the distributary and the distributary. So these are the differences, as you can see, between the tributaries and distributary. Okay, now what tributaries are what? When a number of smaller rivers join a main river, we call those as tributaries. Okay, so they are the helping rivers which join the main river. Whereas distributaries, when the main river breaks up into smaller streams, we get distributaries. So they are the numerous channels or streams, okay, and they are the part of the main stream, the main river which breaks up into smaller streams. Second, it may originate from, tributaries may originate from glaciers, lakes or springs, whereas distributaries, it is formed from the main river. Okay, they are part of a main river. Next one is tributaries, and that is a very important point of tributary. They strengthens the main river by providing water to the main river. When the main river becomes weak, generally in the middle course, they increases the volume of river water by adding water to the main river. So they give strength to the main river by adding water. Whereas distributary, they takes away water from the main river, and in this way they decreases the strength, the volume, the water, okay, of the main river, and therefore they decreases the volume of the water and also weakens the main river by taking away the water. Fourth is, tributaries generally join the main river in the upper or in the middle course of the river. Okay, whereas distributary generally found in the lower course of the river, as due to the deposition more in the lower course, this main stream, they bifurcate into numerous channels, and therefore they are generally found in the lower course. One example of tributary is Yamuna. Yamuna is the one of the important tributary of Ganga river. Ganga river is having so many tributaries, and Yamuna is a very important tributary of Ganga river. Whereas Hooghly, that flows in Kolkata, okay, West Bengal, Kolkata, that is the distributary of Ganga river. Okay, Hooghly is the distributary of Ganga river. So these are some differences between tributary and distributary. So students, this is all for today. Thank you.